Hey guys, it's Jamilah Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. It's a color treated hair wash day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I am starting off with a nice little rinse just because my hair has stayed in the same place during the work week with all that product buildup. I just want to kind of loosen it up before I apply my exfoliating shampoo from Mielle Organics. So you guys have probably heard me talk about this shampoo in my last wash day video, but I love the shampoo. It's very moisturizing, but that's actually not why I use it. It does a really good job at getting a lot of that residue up out of my head and making my hair really easy to work with. So I love to start out with this shampoo first before I go in with my other products. So now I'm taking my Care moisturizing shampoo. I actually really like this shampoo and it smells so good. It smells like when you first get your hair washed at the shop, and I think that was the intent. Maybe this used to be a salon product, I don't know. I'm just trying it for the first time and I really like it. So yeah, get into her. So I'm now going in with the Care moisturizing conditioner. Okay, now I am obsessed with this conditioner. This is actually the first product that I've tried from Care, partnered with other products that I use for other wash days, and this thing is a gold mine. Like, my hair feels amazing. You'll see me like how easily I can detangle my hair. Yeah, get into this Care moisturizing conditioner, period. So I'm just taking my wide tooth comb to detangle, and y'all know how that goes. So the reason I use a lot of the products I have used in this video is because it's helped maintain my color. I've had no running, no staining, none of that. I've maintained pretty much the same color that I've had since I've colored it. So I did almost forget to mention that I like to use the Pantene moisturizing conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, and then I finger coil my hair, wrap it up in a t-shirt, and then let my hair air dry. That is pretty much it for my wash day routines and how I get pretty curls in my hair after washing and keeping my hair nice and healthy and moisturized. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like more of these videos, of course, again, give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys, and I'll see you back next time.